Guys, what's up? What's up? Blooper, sorry. So we're gonna review these Thai slimes.
Thai slime.
Bloopers again.
Yeah, we're gonna review the Thai
I
slime.
mean, I'm gonna Filipino 3, 2, 1. Okay, ano ta? I-mini mo natin to. So, i-mini mo. Capture chili, tiny shop, which I pick is you. Ito muna.
Sige. Stay away.
I wanna run away.
Yeah, ito yung pang ano namin. Sana hindi ito madikit, guys.
Okay, yeah. Sure. Hala, watery rin.
Oo.
Ah, shit. What the hell?
Punasan mo. Huwag mo i-stick, ha?
A little bit lang. Yan. Tama na.
Lagay mo dito. Yan kung ma-stick siya. Guys, rinig nyo.
Ano na? Ipa-close mo. This is ASMR slime.
Yeah.
Ano yun? Pa-show natin. Ito yung slime, guys. Rippy!
Yeah, bro.
I-rate natin. Okay, sige. Sabay-sabay tayo mag-rate. 0 out of 10.
0 out of 10, guys. It's so rippy. I don't like it. It's so I don't like this slime.
Buang slime.
Yeah. Next, we're gonna...
Ini-mini-mani mo again. Okay, ako. Ini-mini-mani mo. Capture chili, Chinese of which I pick is you.
Yay! Oh my god!
I wanna
This is
review.
my favorite slime of Precious Dewa. Oh my gosh.
Okay, this is like tae. Blooper. Sorry again. Paano to open? Watery kasi. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god! Kala. Oh my gosh, there's so many glitters. Look at that, bro.
Hala, nag-glitter rin yung clothes.
And guys, look at that. Look at that. Yan diba? Sobrang
Hala,
look
tignan
at
mo.
this. Look at this, bro.
Dami kong glitters pati din dito, tapos dito.
Yeah.
Then,
Oh my gosh.
oh my god, ang sarap. Ito hawakin mo rin. Okay, hawakin mo.
Look at this. So scratchy.
Wait.
Oh my god. Hala, parang tae. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nahulog headset ko. Bloopers. Oh my god.
Bloopers.
Bloopers.
Apple
and bloopers.
Pretty little tae.
Okay. Hati tayo, hati.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Bogs.
Okay. ASMR natin.
ASMR. So scratchy.
Patatanggal yun.
I like this slime.
I like this
So many
slime.
glitters.
Di tae slime. Bloopers again.
Paano mo ito nagawa? Aray ko.
You will need is 3 air dry clay. Binili ko yung 3 air dry clay sa harap ng school. Tapos, you will need Play-Doh slime. Yung nakamix na Play-Doh sa slime. Tapos, i-mixi mo. Tapos, add ka ng food coloring. Meron ba kayo? Okay lang kung walang food coloring. Tapos, add ka ng 5 to 7. Ito yung i-mix mo. Ganito lang. Tapos, you will feel it stretchy. Tapos, if you wanna add lotion, kung gusto mo,
Gina-add mo ng lotion?
Oo, in-add ko. Tapos, kung gusto mo rin i-add ng ethyl alcohol. Yan lang. Gusto mo? Gawa? So, this is rate tayo dala. 1,000 out of 10.
Infinite out of 10.
Infinite out of 10. Okay, next slime. The last.
slime. It's so rippy, guys. Parang ganito lang kanina.
It's another rip. It's not. It's another watery again. Huh?
Oh my gosh,
Oh.
I don't like this slime. I'm gonna rate it dan.
Okay, let's see the texture. Let's see the texture.
Ooh. Oh, it's so rippy. I don't like. Look at that though. Oh my gosh, it's purple.
Loopers.
Ang dami
This is
naman.
actually 0 out of 10.
Saan mo na nabili yung mga glitters?
Hindi, merong glitters yung Play-Doh slime ko. Kaya inano ko. Kaya, Okay, see you for the video. Bye-bye. We're doing...
Oh, we're gonna rate it, bro.
Okay.
It's
0 out of 10.
So, ayan guys. Thank you for watching this video.
Wait lang, ASMR muna tayo.
ASMR ka na. We're gonna ASMR.
We're gonna ASMR, bro. Okay na. It's like a fidget.
Yeah.
Ikaw naman. This next is the open. Okay, ASMR. Okay. Ano next? Oh, this is my ASMR.
Yeah.
Lahin mo, hawakin mo. Ha?
Tagal. Oh my gosh, bloopers. Nabili ng bloopers. Oh. Oh. You're so
Dapat-
silly.
You're so buang. Anyways, that's it for today. Bye-bye. Ala, what combination?